Welcome to our Quick Receipt software tutorial. We will explore how to manage default printer settings for seamless document printing. In Quick Receipt software, when you print a document, a print dialog will appear prompting you to select a printer and specify printing settings. The print dialog is handy if you need to print receipts or other documents on various printers. However, what if you have only one thermal printer dedicated to Quick Receipt software for document printing? Quick Receipt software enables you to designate a default thermal printer for document printing. This simplifies the printing process and removes the need for manual intervention during printing. To configure the default printer, navigate to the Settings menu and choose Printer. Here, you will see a list of all available printers connected to your computer. Simply select the desired printer and set it as the default. Once a default printer is set, documents will automatically print on the specified printer without displaying a print dialog. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you streamline your printing process in Quick Receipt software.